Still dragging out that old vacuum that misses corners and needs constant emptying? What if your cleaning device could see, think, and clean while you're away? Imagine a robot vacuum that mops your home, avoids obstacles, empties itself, and lets you control it from your phone. Let's talk about the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. From hands-free cleaning to spotless results, it might just be the smartest upgrade your home has ever seen. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum with base station, a user manual, mop brushes, side brush, dust bag, and cleaning brush. Want to see it in action at your place? Tap the link below to get the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra on Amazon. Smart features? Equipped with precision LiDAR mapping, the J15 Pro Ultra scans your home in real time to create efficient cleaning routes. Forget about daily emptying. This robot vacuum automatically empties its dustbin into a sealed bag inside the charging base. With a max suction power of 16,200 pascals, the J15 Pro Ultra picks up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair and crumbs. It recognizes different spaces automatically and applies custom cleaning modes or no-go zones where needed. Everything stays in sync through the app for total control. Connect to the Eureka app to schedule cleanings, adjust suction levels, and monitor cleaning progress in real time. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can start or stop a clean with just your voice. Smart, simple, and effortless. Specifications. How to use. Start by attaching the side brushes to the bottom of the vacuum. They snap into place easily. Next, insert the dust bag into the self-emptying base station until it clicks securely. Make sure all parts are in place and the charging base is set up before turning the robot on. Place the charging dock against a wall on a flat surface with enough space around it. Plug it in and let the robot fully charge before first use. This ensures optimal performance and battery life right from the start. Start an initial mapping run so the robot can scan and save your home layout. It uses LiDAR to accurately build a map, which helps it clean efficiently and avoid obstacles. You can later customize the map with rooms, no-go zones, and more. Choose your desired suction level or cleaning mode via the app or voice assistant. Once started, the robot navigates room by room, auto-adjusting to floor types and collecting dust and debris. It even empties itself at the dock when the job is done. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Eureka app. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the robot vacuum until you hear a startup sound or see indicator lights. This means the device is active and ready to connect. Make sure it's placed near the charging base and has enough battery for setup. Open the app and tap Add Device and follow the in-app instructions. Power on your robot. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. Once paired, you'll have full control over scheduling, cleaning modes, and more from anywhere. Maintenance. Remove the cleaning tray from base station and start by removing the 2 cleaning discs and the self-cleaning assembly from the cleaning tray. Rinse all the parts thoroughly with water and wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Once everything is completely dry, reassemble the components into the tray and reinstall them in the base station. Lift the dust collector cover to access the dust bag. Gently pull the used bag out and wipe the inside of the collector box with a dry cloth. Remove the filter, wash it, and let it dry fully before reinstalling. Slide a new dust bag into place by aligning its plastic card with the rails, then close the dust collector cover. Open the robot's top cover and take out the dust bin. Empty the bin, rinse the filter inside, and let it dry completely before reassembling and placing it back into the robot. Flip the robot over to clean the main brush. Remove any hair or debris, then reinstall it with the cover. Clean the side brush and gently wipe the sensors and entire exterior with a soft cloth. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra robot vacuum. See you in the next one.